Hi, I'm Kris from Theme Park to Table, cooking up delicious theme park recipes here in my kitchen. On today's a little extra pixie dust, we are making pumpkin juice, which is inspired by Harry Potter. Let's get started. So for this recipe, we're going to use our blender. I'm just going to pop my lid off. Into the blender, we're going to put pumpkin pie puree, which is different than just straight pumpkin puree. This has got seasonings in it and such, so there is a difference, so make sure you watch the labels when you buy it. And then, stand up the spoon is too heavy. We're going to put in pineapple juice and apple juice. When we go to Florida and we go to Universal, this is one of the family's favorite things to get because it really is delicious. A splash of vanilla. And then we're going to close it up and blend it together. All the ingredients for this recipe are chilled first, the juices, just as an FYI. Okay. So just to pulse it a few times, that's what we're going to do. Okay, it's starting to come together a little bit. What we're looking for is all that pumpkin to kind of get blended in. And we're going to throw it on for a few seconds, let it go, and get the rest of the way there. Okay, that should be blended and combined now. Pop this off of here. Now pop open our little spout, and we're just going to pour into our little pumpkin glass. Now for this one, I like to put a little whipped cream on to garnish, I think. I think that'll make it look nice. And that's what they usually do in the theme parks when you have it there. And a little whipped cream. And then a little bit of ground cinnamon to top it off. Maybe. There it is. And there you have it. Harry Potter inspired pumpkin juice. Thank you for joining me. If you like this recipe, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.